Hey everyone, in this video I'll be talking about on how to harden Windows 10 11th using DefenderUI by CyberLock, formerly Voodoo Shield, and Firewall Hardening app by Andy Ful. As always, I will add the links in the description. Firstly, if you use configure Defender 3.x, you don't need DefenderUI since it is using similar registry keys and rules. If you don't have configure Defender, let's proceed. The main UI has 5 sections, namely Home, Basic, Advanced, Attack Surface Reduction, ASR, Rules, and DefenderGuard. If you see, I'm seeing Custom Profile, which is in title bar. By default, it uses default profile. I'd recommend using recommended profile so that you have security hardened OS along with Windows Defender for better layered protection. You can further add custom firewall applications that will use built-in firewall from OS to keep untrusted apps or services out of the system. Under Home section you have toggles for real-time protection, cloud protection, and Windows Firewall. Next, you can scan your system for malwares, update or reset latest malware signatures, add or remove exclusions, view protection history and security logs, etc. Under Basic Settings, you have options such as ransomware protection, network protection, cloud-based protection, potential unwanted application blocking, block at first sight for new upcoming threats based on behavior monitoring. It also supports enhanced notifications and ability to send unknown threats to Microsoft for further analysis. The eye icon gives detailed info about each protection scheme or rules if you want to tweak it specifically for your use cases. Under Advanced section you can scan for emails, file attachments, downloaded files, and scripts, removable drives, network drives, file hash computation, and even set low CPU priority when performing background auto-scanning. As always, the eye icon gives detailed info about each protection scheme or rules if you want to tweak it specifically for your use cases. Under ASR rules, which known as attack surface reduction, which restricts executing scripts, untrusted drivers, and macros from applications such as MS Office, Adobe Reader. In case if any of your applications fail to run, you might have to add to exclusions or update the app to see if it fixes the issue. Lastly, DefenderGuard works only when you have disabled tamper protection under Windows Defender. If tamper protection is enabled, it means Windows Defender can't be killed or disabled by malware. To further enhance OS security, we will harden firewall rules by restricting most commonly exploited Windows system files such as PowerShell, command script, etc. using Firewall Hardening app. If you click on Help, you will see an explanation on how the application works by categorizing the block lists as LOLBins, Adobe Reader, MS Office, Recommended HC, and External Block List. LOLBins refers to using system files to take over the system either by stealthily downloading malware droppers and avoid detection. I'd recommend using Recommended HC, which will add all recommended hardening rules covering most areas. If you want to temporarily allow few blocked rules, you can select the rule and hit Deactivate Rule to disable the rule. As you may have noticed, the inactive rules are appended to the bottom. To revert the inactive rule, you can click on Block Rule, which will activate the blocking rule. You can even select multiple rules by holding Ctrl or Shift key along with mouse clicks. It is recommended to restart the computer after making any changes so that the rules are applied properly. Since Windows 10 will be out of support in 2025, these hardening rules will keep you safe from possible malware infections. I'd suggest applying latest application updates to keep you better protected and secure. I hope this tutorial was helpful in making your Windows PC more secure. Once again, I thank the developers of the app for making this free and available for everyone. If you have any queries or doubts or any bugs, you can find them at Malware Tips forums. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again to all my subscribers and the community for your continued support.